Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the month of July and how it will move in the next 15 days of July 2023. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold is trading at a level of $1957.51. Okay, and if you look at this particular month, we have seen there is a green candle forming. Previous 2 months, what we have seen, there are two red candles are forming, which shows that the price of gold has moved down after making a high around $2089. Keep telling you when the price comes close to a level of 2079. Okay, and I was telling you that once the price sustain above a level of 1990, chances of very high that it can touch a level of 2079 and can cross that particular level, because this is the resistance which is already being tested, and chances was very high that once it sustain above this particular resistance, it can go further upside. And if you look at this particular chance, that what it does, that when it sustain this particular level, it tries to go upside. And if for only this particular month we have seen the price was volatile, otherwise there is a continuous upside. Okay, after making this particular high, that is where it went down. Okay, and these are the similarities what we have seen. Whenever it is making high, a fall we have seen, a good fall we have seen. Now if you look at this particular chart, a U pattern is forming. After that, a fall is there and a fall is there and a swing is forming. So chances are high it can move further upside. So what you have to understand looking at this chart, see, this is a similar pattern. First time, second and third time, the similar patterns are forming. Okay, and if it sustain above this particular level of around $19, okay, for this particular time we have seen it has made 2 times high, and this is the third time. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, this is the level of around 1951. That is the resistance. You have to keep it in mind. If the price sustain this level, chances are high that it can go further upside. So you can keep this as a stop loss. Okay, and then you can hold it for a longer period, because chances are very high that this similar pattern can be repeated again, and it can touch a level of around 2089 again for this particular high. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 weeks of July, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. Okay, and if you have any, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Chances are very high it can go further upside, because it is already above this particular resistance, and the next resistance at a level of 1951, which is very close what is trading at now. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $2011. Okay, once it sustain above a level of 2000, keep that in mind. Okay, now it is trading at a level of 1957, so chances are very high that once it sustain above this level, it can move towards a level of around $1960. Why I am telling you all this resistance? Because you have to understand, if you are trading, you have to set your SL or trail your SL as per the resistance, or as per how much profit you are getting. Okay, these are the some of the things that will save your capital as well as your profit. So once it sustain this level, chance of going towards 1960 is there. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, it can go towards 1966. Okay, and once the price sustain above 1966, then the next resistance month wise we can see coming at a level of $1974, and from there we can see it can go towards its next resistance of around after 1974 we can see it can go towards a level of around $1984. Okay, as soon as it started moving upside, then you can say yes, a probability that it can cross a level of around 2000 and can go towards 2009, and then further upside if the price sustain that level. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Now understand something, that market is always uncertain. If somebody is telling you that the market will go sharp rise or sharp fall, no. When there is big news coming, that is where we can see there can be a much volatility and the rise and fall, or even when there is a breakout happening. Okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, always set your SL, so that if the market goes against you, you should be well prepared with your SL, and always trail your SL, so that if it move with a volatile range, or if it comes down, then your profit should not be wiped out, even your capital. So trailing SL is also important. So suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, the next support coming at a level of around $1934. Okay, so once this is the support, a bounce back can come from that particular level. But if that level didn't sustain, then the next support coming at a level of $1915, and if that level move further down, then you can say yes, it can fall further low below a level of around 1900, and chances of touching a level of 1891 is there. Okay, if it goes below a level of 1891, and once it move below this, then there will be a range breakout will happen, and then you can see it can go towards a level of $1878, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my